Good morning, student. Today we represent irrational number on number line. Firstly, what you know about the irrational number? Irrational number are the number which are not rational, or we can say that the number which cannot be represented in P by Q form are called irrational number. So we represent irrational number on number line. Root 2 is a rational number because its decimal expansion is also non-terminating and non-repeating. Similarly, root 3, root 5 and root 7, root 11, these all are the irrational number. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं वो नंबर जिनके रूट में पेयरिंग नहीं होती, जो रूट में सॉल्व नहीं होते जिनके रूट, और उनका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग होता है, ऐसे नंबर्स को इरेशनल नंबर कहते हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इरेशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. सबसे पहले फर्स्टली वी रिप्रेजेंट रूट 2 ऑन नंबर लाइन. For representation of root 2 number line, firstly we take one unit distance on number line. This is a number line. This is positive direction for the numbers. This is negative direction of number, and this is 0. So we take unit distance from the 0. That is, we take a point A on number line. Distance, or this is O. Distance of OA is 1 unit, and then we draw a perpendicular of 1 unit at point A. AB is a perpendicular on OA, and distance of AB is also 1 unit. This is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. Then join point O and B. You can see that it is a right angle triangle. Here angle is 90 degree. It is right angle. How we calculate the distance of OB? You can use here Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is a Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is applied on right angle triangle because AB perpendicular to OA. So triangle ABO is a right angle triangle, and here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So which is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle, which is opposite to right angle, and AB is a perpendicular, OA is a base. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now take distance of OB, suppose L. So L square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square. Why? Because distance of OA is 1 unit, we consider it, and AB is also 1 unit. So it is 1 square plus 1 square, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. This means that L square is equal to 2. So L is equal to under root 2 plus minus. We take only plus sign. So here it is L is equal to root 2. This is a root 2. So distance of OB is root 2, but it is not on number line. We want this OB is on the number line. That means we have to draw irrational number on number line. Our topic is draw an irrational number on number line. So here we will find it. L is equal to root 2. Distance of OB is root 2. How we represent this number line? For this we draw a circle of the radius OB. OB रेडियस का एक सर्किल ड्रॉ करना है. We draw a circle of radius OB. That means, suppose we take a point C on the boundary of the circle, then OC is also radius 2, because it is a circle and radius of circle from the center is equal distance of every point of a circle on the boundary of the circle from the center is equal, that is called radius of the circle. So OC is equal to OB. Similarly, we take point B on number line, so OD is also root 2. So distance of O to D is root 2, and suppose this point is E, so distance of O E is also root 2. That means magnitude is equal. Here difference is direction. Here we represent minus root 2 or here we represent plus root 2. So we can represent root 2 on the number line. Now it is the representation of root 2 on number line. Next question is how we represent root 3 on the number line. So for this, we take a number line, here negative numbers, here positive numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here arrows are most important. This represents that the line is endless. ये एक लाइन सेगमेंट नहीं, एक नंबर लाइन है. ये तभी पता चलता है जब हम नंबर किसी भी लाइन के दोनों साइड एरो लगाते हैं. सो एरो इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट इज अ नंबर लाइन. अगर हम एरो नहीं लगाएंगे तो क्या लगेगा, हम एक लाइन सेगमेंट को बता रहे हैं. सो दिस पॉइंट इज O and this A. This is point D. Distance of OD is root 2. We represent it in the previous graph, previous diagram. OD क्या है? OD की डिस्टेंस रूट 2 है. हम ये पहले रिप्रेजेंट कर चुके हैं. OD is root 2. Let OD is a base. OD is a base of triangle, or we draw again a perpendicular from the point D of 1 unit, that is OF. Distance, sorry, DF. DF is 1 unit. Join DF, join OF. Then what is the distance of OF? OF, suppose we take this M, small m. Distance of OF is small m. So triangle ODF is a right angle triangle because DF perpendicular to OD. So we can again apply Pythagoras theorem. Here hypotenuse is OF. OF square is equal to perpendicular square, that is DF square, plus base square OD square. Distance of ODF is 1 unit, so 1 square, and distance of OD is root 2, so root 2 square. It is 1 plus 2, so it is 3. So OF square is equal to 3. OF is equal to OF को हमने m लिया है, is equal to under root 3. So distance of OF, that is m, equal to under root 3. How we represent this into number line? We take a circle of the radius root 3, that is OF. We draw a circle, the boundary of circle, cut the number line at any point. That distance is called, that distance is root 3. So हमने क्या किया, OF रेडियस का एक सर्किल फिर से ड्रॉ किया. टेढ़ा आ रहा होगा थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि बोर्ड पे कंपास नहीं यूज कर सकते. ये so distance, we draw a circle of radius OF. So radius everywhere same on the from the boundary of the circle to center, everywhere same. तो ये भी रेडियस होगी. मान लो हम G बनाते हैं तो OG की डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगी, OG क्या हो जाएगा नंबर लाइन पर root 3. Similarly, we represent root 5, root 7, root 8 on the number line and other irrational number on number line.